abishomero rya St Christian Nursery Primary School nubo baremesibwe gukora ebigezo byo kubara bwa nyuma yabeje kushika hishomero rya Mpasana Primary School ahi babiri no baza gukora ebigezo ebi bakerirwe.
The reason why we did not do the papers is due to poor transport. We tried to walk and we paid to reach here, so we did not try to get the papers.
And I'm not very fine because I did not do the mass paper.
Obuhat RDC retired Major David Matovu aragira byo kwerinda kwiga passport semvubu oriyo mundacho bwa hati.
Putting our children, the future of our children at all that great risk. So it should surface actually and it faces the law. Secondly, I want to share with now that the exams are over, I want to share with the DO, the CAO, the chairman of 5, and all our MPs, if we could use the police file and make a case to UNEP, because the children were not like hiding somewhere into waiting for cheating, no.
And when we try to raise him, his phone is off.
Bamwe mu bantu bashabe ekitongole kya UNEP kwera bejaba bakabaha ekigezo eki okugira ngo emyaka yabe tafawusha gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose Katoto.